colonies of man, long since abandoned after the fall of the ancient interstellar corporations, isolated and detached from the Empire, free to prosper and flourish, until now.
Damn it!
Sir, they've cut us off on both sides. We're in deep shit.
Corporal, go back to Row and tell him to get round back of that strata with an AT. We'll draw its fire. Here!
They had come to claim our world. They brought war down on our cities, our homes. The end was drawing near.
Okay, boss, I'm on the ground and ready. What are we doing again?
The Terrans have a supply convoy that comes through this part of the city once a month. It supplies their entire garrison here with food.
And we're gonna take it out?
We're certainly going to try.
In order to select a unit, click on it with the left mouse button. Try it now.
Leave it to Sarge.
Okay, now move your soldier to the next beacon. It's to
Leave
the
it to
east of you,
Sarge.
so you may need to move your camera view to see it. Move the camera using... You've received reinforcements. You
Yes,
can
sir.
select
We
all
can
of
do
them
it.
at the same time with the drag selection. Left-click and hold the mouse button,
Yes,
then
sir.
drag out a selection box to cover all of your units. Try it now. In general, Vehicles have stronger armor in front and are weaker in the rear and at their sides. You can control your units facing when given move orders by holding down the right mouse button and dragging the mouse in the direction you want them to face. While you always see the battlefield and its features, you cannot see enemies unless they are within the view range of one of your units and have a clear line of sight. Buildings, hills, and other terrain features block their view.
I'll do it for you, sir.
Move your soldiers.
Sir, incoming enemies.
I will do
Let's
it,
take
sir.
them out.
I will do it, sir.
Enemies are approaching.
I will do it, sir.
Your units
One
will
less to
automatically
worry about.
attack the enemy by default.
One less
You can
to
also
worry about.
manually order your
Yes,
units
sir.
to attack.
We're under
Just
heavy
click
fire.
on an enemy with the right mouse button. Now, take out the enemy
Yes,
soldiers.
sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any of you guys in need of repairs?
Your units have suffered some injuries. The combat engineer can repair your vehicles and treat your infantry. Select
I'll try,
the engineer, click on the
Yes,
repair
sir.
icon, and then on the unit in need of aid. When you are ready, move to the next beacon. Notice the wooded
Yes,
area
sir.
ahead. Only infantry can move through forests.
Yes, sir.
Leave your vehicles behind and pass through the forest with your infantry.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Infantry inside forests receive additional protection from damage.
I've got
They
contact.
will also be harder for enemies to detect.
Tagged
Now,
and bagged.
continue through the forest.
Enemy destroyed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Remember, you can rotate the camera by holding down the middle mouse button and moving the mouse around.
Yes, sir.
You can also switch between the classic ground control camera and the top-down RGS camera by
Enemy
holding
over
down
here.
Shift and pressing C.
One more head for row.
Yes,
Boss,
sir.
I think
We
that
can do
convoy's
it.
almost here.
Right, better get in position, Sergeant.
Yes, sir. We can do it.
Buildings can offer infantry protection in a firefight. Order your men to enter a building by right-clicking on it.
I've got
Take out the
contact.
convoy from your position within the buildings.
One more head for row. I'm on it, boss.
We're pinned down. Yes, sir. We can do it.
One more head for row.
Incoming.
Yeah, no more burgers for the Terrans.
They'll be living on emergency rations from now on, and theirs taste even worse than ours.
Well done. That concludes this tutorial. The next lesson will deal with one of the most important aspects of the game, the dropships.
Sergeant, what's going on?
Imps on the way, boss. Going for our landing zone.
Dickens hell, that's all we need.
So what do we do, boss?
We hold up here and let them come to us. Once they've worn themselves out, we'll take the fight back to them.
You have now received your mission objectives as indicated on the left side of the screen. Objectives are your main goal in each mission. You can always review your current objectives in more detail. Knowing the characteristics of a battlefield is important. Units on high ground receive an advantage over units on level ground due to the awkward firing angle, which makes it harder for them to hit their targets. Always keep in mind that infantry taking cover in buildings receive additional protection, making them harder to damage. Please go ahead and organize your defense.
Enemy detected, sir.
Got a ticket to hell.
They're everywhere. We're pinned down. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Your forces
Yes,
are
sir.
wearing
We can
thin.
do it.
Don't
Enemy
forget that you can
destroyed.
call down. During most missions, you can use your dropship to call
Package
down
delivered.
reinforcements. Ordering down units costs acquisition points, also called
Dropship
AP.
reporting.
You receive acquisition points by completing
I
mission
see
objectives.
the enemy. Copy that. Later, losers.
Maintaining a functional military force requires maintenance and support. This is indicated by your maintenance factor, which increases with each additional unit you order. The higher your maintenance, the less acquisition points will be given to
Yes,
you,
sir. At
as
once.
NSA Command
Dropship
requires
at
you to
base.
make maximum use of your allotted units.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do it.
Got a ticket to hell.
Enemy in sight, sir. Enemy destroyed. Enemy destroyed.
Unloading cargo.
You can order several different upgrades for your dropship, allowing you to increase its
Dropship
usefulness. Upgrades cost
Okay.
acquisition
I'm going
points,
back
and
to
your
bed.
dropship cannot be ordered to the battlefield while they are being fitted. Click on the upgrade button to upgrade your dropship.
Dropship at base. Upgrade initiated. Upgrade.
Boss, if we get a couple of wrench boys to fix those turrets, we can put those legionnaires in a world of hurt.
Disabled gun emplacements can be repaired by your engineers. Call down engineers with your dropship and order them to repair the damaged gun emplacements.
LZ vector plotted. In transit. Reinforcements deployed. Dropship reporting.
I'll do my best.
Bad news, guys. Enemy sighted.
I'll do my best. Yes, sir. At once. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. At once.
Dropship at base.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. At once. I'll do my best. I'll do it for you, sir. I will do it, sir. I will do it, sir. I'll do it for you, sir. We're being shot at. I can do it, sir. Nice shooting. Nice shooting. Nice shooting. Nice shooting. I'll do it for you, sir. I can do it, sir. I'll do it for you, sir. Yes, sir. At once.
Package delivered.
I'll try, sir.
Coordinates received. Copy that. Later, losers.
Negative. I cannot do that. I'll do my best. Negative. I cannot do that. Negative. I cannot do that. I can do it, sir.
Drop ship at base.
Here they come.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
say we kick
We can
those
do it.
morons back to Mars.
I'll try, sir. Negative. There's no way.
Most of your units can enter a secondary mode. For example, when in secondary mode, Marines use their anti-tank
sir.
missiles. To have your Marines
sir.
change modes, select them and click
I
on the
can do it,
mode
sir.
icon in the order palette. Please note
Yes,
that
sir.
Marines
At
cannot
once.
move while in secondary mode. This will...
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir.
Right. Now it's time we turn this thing around.
The enemy soldiers are guarding a victory location, a place of tactical importance. As you already know, capturing and holding victory locations is one way to acquire acquisition points. To capture a victory location, move your soldiers within its markings. Make certain no enemy units are present. Go ahead and capture the victory location.
They're everywhere. We got one. We're pinned down. Yes, sir. At once. Enemy destroyed. New enemy
Weather can
detected.
affect the way your units behave.
I'll try, sir.
Captured a victory
Yes, sir.
location.
The enemy has a landing zone
Nice
further
shooting.
ahead. If you capture it, you will deny them the ability to call in more
I'll do
units,
my best.
and you will be able to use it instead. Capture the landing zone now.
Yes, sir. We can do it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do it. Enemy unit destroyed. Enemy destroyed. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can do it.
We've secured a landing zone.
If you wish. Now, click on the Change LZ button in your interface. You can then either click the landing zone in your battlefield view or on your TAC map to make it your active landing zone. The next time the dropship arrives on the battlefield, it will use the new LZ.
LZ vector plotted. In transit.
Okay, let's clean this up then. I want this entire region
I see the
secure and
enemy.
clear of Terrans.
Unloading cargo. Target annihilated.
Right, sir.
Roger that. We're heading back to base.
Enemy detected, sir. Taking sustained fire.
Enemy in sight, sir.
Enemy unit destroyed. Enemy unit destroyed. 10-4.
You got it, sir.
We captured a victory location.
Right, sir.
Your units will gain experience in combat, allowing them to become more efficient during a battle.
Roasted and toasted.
Do not waste your
10-4.
units needlessly.
Uh-oh. Enemies.
You got it, sir.
He's dead.
Proceed to capture the last victory location. Off-map support weapons can be used to complement your normal units. They can be ordered to strike at any part of the map. Please note that off-map support weapons cost acquisition points and need to recharge after each use. Click the support weapons button and then choose an artillery barrage. Left-click on the ground near enemy units. Note that there will be a delay before the weapon strikes. Use support weapons to take out the Legionnaires.
You got it, sir. Right, sir. You got it, sir.
I'll do it for you, sir.
Incoming hostiles. He's dead.
We
That's
captured
it, boss.
a victory
All
location.
locations are secure.
Good work, people. Now let's double time it back to the transports. I just got a coded message from NSA Command. General Warhurst wants us back in New Darwin.